Hello, today we're going to learn about escape sequences. What are escape sequences? Escape sequences are special characters that cannot be used within a string. And for example, a string with two quotation marks cannot have a quotation marks within it. If you were to run the application, or excuse me, the program, there will be an error. Now, if you were to add a backslash here, it will fix it. And let's run the application, the program. And here, there will be no errors. Now, there are several escape sequences, and here are some of them. Here are some of the escape sequences. First, we have tab, new line, quotation marks, and backslash. Here's the tab. Here's a new line, quotation marks, and backslash. Now, if we were to not add the backslash, there would be an error. Say maybe the tab is fine with 5 spaces, but for the new line, you can't create a new line. So you can't create a new line here. In order to create a new line, you have to add backslash and let's run this program again. And here it is, a new line with let's see, 4 new line. The quotation marks, we went over it, and then backslash creates a quotation mark. So, okay, and this is all for today, and be sure to like and subscribe for new videos. Thank you for watching.